Stop searching for motivation, cultivate discipline instead. As a young person, AW1C Agate PAF found comfort in consuming food when and as much as she wanted. Until she reached 82 kilogram and started to face difficulties in doing push-ups and running exercises.
Yung weight ko talaga dati is 55 kilograms. Ang pinakamalaking gain weight ko nun is 82 kilograms. Stop searching for motivation, cultivate discipline instead.
Her exercise routine kick-started from 1-month gym membership. Now, she's doing proper diet and fasting to maintain her current healthy weight.
Yung exercise kasi, umpisahan mo na kayo. Huwag mo na ipagpabukas actually. Huwag mo na antayin yung motivation mo nga kasi hindi darating yan. Depende pa yan. Baka isang taon bago dumating. Tapos, yung ano naman, sa mga fasting keto tsaka calorie deficit, huwag niyong biglain. Like, ano lang, ang process lang kayo, unti-untiin nyo kasi dyan din ako nagsimula. May iba kasi na parang binibigla nila, hindi ko makain agad. May iba kasi na ganun. Tapos, itigil nyo lahat ng soft drinks ng paunti-unti. Tubig lang, warm water, ang ginagawa ko, konting init, tsaka konting malamig. Ina-half ko yan. Nag-coffee ako, pero yung pure coffee na ano. Tapos, kung gusto nyo mag-exercise or gusto nyo mag-fasting, piliin nyo yung oras na parang kaya nyo i-handle yung gutom. Para hindi nyo mag-break yung. Tapos, kain nyo kayo ng mga prutas.